Welcome. In this video I will show you how to restore default color profiles on your DREAME TV. To do that, all you have to do is press the gear button on your remote control, then scroll down to Picture tile and select it. Then in Picture Settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to the very bottom of this list and select Reset to Default. Then click OK to confirm your choice and wait until color profiles and the rest of the picture settings are fully reset. And at this point, that's it. Now you can once again use any color profile, any of the default color profiles on your TV. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.